Imagine stepping into your home on a sweltering summer day, the heat outside unbearable, and being greeted by a wave of cool, refreshing air. The choice of cooling system can make or break this experience. Whether you're renovating, building anew, or simply upgrading, the debate between central air conditioning, central AC, and mini-split systems is one worth diving into. Both promise comfort, but which reigns supreme for your unique needs? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the differences, benefits, and drawbacks of these two popular cooling solutions, using engaging and informative titles to guide our exploration. Which cooling system wins for your home? At the heart of this comparison lies a fundamental question: which system best suits your living space? Central AC is often seen as the traditional choice, delivering cool air through a network of ducts to every corner of your home. It's ideal for larger homes with existing ductwork, providing uniform cooling across multiple rooms. Mini-splits, on the other hand, are ductless systems with individual indoor units connected to an outdoor compressor, offering targeted cooling for specific zones or rooms. They shine in homes without ducts, or for additions where extending ductwork isn't feasible. Central AC offers a seamless, whole-house solution, often integrated with heating systems, making it a familiar and reliable option for many homeowners. However, mini-splits provide flexibility, allowing you to cool only the spaces you use, potentially slashing energy waste. The winner depends on your home's layout, size, and your cooling priorities. What's best for you? Let's pit these systems head-to-head on key personal factors. If you value aesthetics, central AC might appeal more since its components are largely hidden, with only vents visible in rooms. Mini-splits, while efficient, require wall-mounted indoor units that some find less attractive. Noise is another consideration. Mini-splits are generally quieter indoors as they lack the fan noise associated with central AC's air handlers. For those in older homes or smaller spaces in Dhaka where ductwork might be impractical, mini-splits offer a less invasive installation. They're also a boon for zoned cooling, letting you set different temperatures for different rooms. Central AC, however, might be your go-to if you already have ductwork or prefer consistent temperatures throughout a larger home. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is often a deal-breaker in choosing a cooling system, especially with rising utility costs. Mini-splits typically take the crown here, boasting higher seasonal energy efficiency ratio (SEER) ratings, often 20 or above, compared to central AC's average of 15 to 18. The EPA estimates mini-splits can be 20 to 30% more efficient, largely due to the absence of ductwork, which eliminates energy loss from leaks or heat gain. Central AC systems, even with high SEER ratings, can't fully escape efficiency losses through ducts, especially if they're poorly insulated or leaky. Mini-splits, by cooling only occupied zones, further reduce energy waste, potentially cutting cooling bills by 30 to 40%. If sustainability and cost savings are your goals, mini-splits often edge out in this showdown. Comparing costs, efficiency, and installation. Diving into costs, the initial investment varies significantly. Central AC installation can range from $2,500 to $7,500 if ductwork is already in place, but adding ducts can push costs much higher. Mini-split systems generally cost between $2,000 and $14,500 to install, depending on the number of zones and unit size, with a national average around $3,000. Over time, operating costs tilt in favor of mini-splits due to their superior energy efficiency. They use less electricity per hour, often 800 to 2,000 watts for a 12,000 to 18,000 BTU unit, compared to central AC's 3,000 to 3,500 watts for similar capacity. This translates to noticeable savings on monthly bills, especially in hot climates like Dhaka. Installation is another differentiator. Central AC requires professional setup, often involving extensive ductwork, which can be disruptive and costly in homes not already equipped. Mini-splits are less invasive, sometimes even DIY-friendly for single-zone systems, though professional installation is recommended for multi-zone setups or to comply with local codes. Choosing the right system for whole home comfort. Whole home comfort is a priority for many, and central AC excels here by design. It distributes air evenly through ducts, maintaining consistent temperatures across all rooms, a boon for larger families or open-concept homes. Mini-splits can achieve whole home cooling too, but this requires multiple indoor units, increasing upfront costs and potentially cluttering aesthetics with several wall-mounted units. If your home in Dhaka is multi-story or sprawling, central AC might provide the cohesive comfort you seek without the need for multiple visible units. However, for smaller homes or targeted cooling needs, mini-splits offer customizable comfort without overcooling unused spaces. Which fits your home's needs? Your home's structure heavily influences this choice. Older homes, or those without existing ductwork, common in some parts of Dhaka, benefit immensely from mini-splits. They eliminate the need for costly duct installation, which can be impractical in tight spaces or historic buildings. Central AC, conversely, is a natural fit for newer constructions or homes already equipped with ducts, avoiding the higher per-zone costs of mini-splits. Consider also future needs. If you're planning an addition or converting a basement, a mini-split can easily adapt to cool just that new space without overtaxing an existing system. Central AC might require significant upgrades to handle additional load, adding to long-term costs. Best cooling option for older homes without ductwork. For older homes, especially those lacking ductwork, mini-splits are often the clear choice. Installing ducts in such homes can be prohibitively expensive and disruptive, often requiring structural modifications. Mini-splits bypass this entirely, needing only a small hole for refrigerant lines and wiring, making installation far less invasive. Moreover, older homes may have unique layouts or insulation challenges. Mini-splits allow precise cooling control in specific areas, avoiding the inefficiencies of cooling an entire unevenly insulated structure with central AC. This targeted approach can be a game changer for maintaining comfort without breaking the bank. Zoned cooling or whole house comfort. Zoned cooling is where mini-splits truly shine. Each indoor unit operates independently, letting you cool a bedroom at night while leaving the living room uncooled, saving energy. This is ideal for households with varying schedules or temperature preferences. Central AC, while capable of zoning with advanced systems, often cools the entire house uniformly, which can be wasteful if not all areas are occupied. Retrofitting zoning into an existing central AC setup can also be costly compared to the inherent zoning of mini-splits. If personalized comfort is key, mini-splits offer unmatched flexibility. Maintenance and lifespan. Maintenance is crucial for both systems but differs in scope. Central AC requires periodic duct cleaning and filter changes to prevent efficiency losses from leaks or blockages. Mini-splits need more frequent filter cleaning, often every few weeks, but avoid duct-related maintenance, making them simpler in some respects. Both systems have comparable lifespans with proper care. Central AC units typically last 15 to 20 years, while mini-splits can reach 20 years or more, especially with high-quality brands and regular maintenance. Usage patterns, like running mini-splits year-round for heating and cooling, may slightly impact longevity. Making your choice. Choosing between central AC and mini-split systems boils down to your home's structure, budget, and comfort preferences. Central AC offers robust whole-house cooling, ideal for larger homes with existing ductwork, while mini-splits provide energy-efficient, flexible zoning for smaller or ductless spaces. In Dhaka's hot climate, efficiency might weigh heavily. Mini-splits could save significantly on bills over time. Consider consulting a local HVAC expert to assess your specific needs, especially given regional factors like humidity and power reliability. Whether you prioritize upfront cost, long-term savings, or tailored comfort, both systems have their merits. Which cooling champion will you crown for your home?